Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Third amendment was in terms of the rules for the search committee for the selection of panel of names for appointment of chairman and member of the Lokayukta. So there is a search committee that is constituted, which we have already constituted. And this search committee will then propose some names to the main committee to then appoint and select the chairperson and the members of the Lokayukta. Now the search committee has been constituted in the last meeting, as you're aware. But under this search committee, there are rules in which the search committee functions. So the decision today, that's the background, the decision in the cabinet today was to increase the sitting allowance for the search committee members. Very simple decision. Earlier, the committee members used to get 2,500 rupees per sitting, and it was felt that it could be increased because sittings are just 1 or 2 meetings that take place. So the amount has been increased from 2,500 to 5,000 for the members, and for the chairman from 3,000 to 6,000. So that's it. It's a very small amendment in the rules of the search committee. The fourth was a proposal for retired judges secretarial assistance and domestic help rules 2013. This is again meant for the retired judges in the Meghalaya or Shillong High Court and the perks and benefits that are given to them as post-retirement benefits. And there was a proposal that was sent from the judges themselves, and even the past judges have requested the state government to enhance some of the benefits to them. And the proposal was specifically meant for some allowance in terms of electricity, some allowance in terms of mobile connectivity and internet, and some allowances in terms of petrol and petrol expenditure. So these three requests came in, and as per the request made by the judiciary and the judges themselves have written to us, we have increased the amount. So in electricity, 1,000 units per month has been agreed to be reimbursed. In terms of POL, 100 liters per month. All this is as per Meghalaya rate, of course. And in phone and internet, an amount of 4,200 rupees per month plus taxes has been agreed by the cabinet to enhance the overall additional benefits to be given to retired chief justices and retired judges of the High Court of Meghalaya. Of course, once or as and when these judges are engaged in a particular activity or made chairman of certain commissions, then of course these benefits will cease to be given, as they will get the necessary funds for the activity that they'll be doing. So, but apart from that, this is the amount, as I said, additional amount, which as per the request from the judiciary has been approved by the cabinet today.
All these